What's up guys, I'm Jason. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Freebird Garage and we are working on a very simple part of the FXR, and that is the license plate. Before we get started, why don't you go ahead, smack that subscribe button, and let's roll into this. Now this one in particular, as you can see, stands straight up. It's kind of like a big wall when it flies down the road, and obviously very visible for anyone that's looking for it, but I think it's time to slim it down even more. If you've been watching the other videos, if you haven't, go check them out, where we have switched out the taillights to the Moons MC one to help skinny up the back. So there are a lot of companies that do create these license plate holders out there for these bikes. They're pretty universal for all the Harleys. There are ones that I still feel like that make a lay down plate but still have the bulkiness of the license plate, and I think the ones that really conform to the plate itself, that either almost look like they stretch it so that it sits flush with the tail section, is really the ideal plate that I'm looking for this bike to complete it. Looking across online, couldn't decide on which one until finally, very reputable company out there that I think is fantastic. That's KRUESI's Original. They don't make much of FXR stuff. I've talked to the guys there, it's not their thing, which is fine, but I finally was able to find something that could get on my bike from them, and I was pretty excited to find that. And lo and behold, it's a license plate holder on here. It's a 3-piece bolt system that's gonna go on. They were out of stock for a while, but I finally got one. We're gonna install that today. First time unwrapping it. They did a fantastic job. I mean, the day that I ordered it, it shipped out. So if you guys are getting stuff, doesn't matter what Sportster, Dyna's I believe their main thing out there. Real killer work to do. Very original stuff that it's in the name. Their look always, I feel like, stands out in their own style. And we're gonna unwrap this here. See what she looks like in person. Now I believe they either hand make these or, it's their own, like I said, own custom design. So they're small batches every time. So if they're in stock, you gotta get them. That's kind of how it works. And it's real exciting to me when they do that, because that means it's good stuff. They take their quality time into making these things. They did one nice wrap job. I'll tell you that though, that's awesome. A lot of places just throw their stuff together, put it in a box and ship it out to you. These guys did a killer job of wrapping this whole thing here. Bam! Hold on, almost there. Wow. That looks fantastic. Right there. That's cool. I mean, as simple as it is, it's a license plate holder, right? I mean, you can just tell that the quality on this, it's definitely not cheap. It's nice craftsmanship that they put in this thing. It has a sweet curve. You can see there or not. Curve that goes there, that's what I was looking for. And of course, got the sticker. I mean, the quality of the hardware that's on there, it's not like cheap aluminum. I mean, down to the bolts even, it's all flush. They don't just have like the hex screws and everything coming off, or it's still bulky. They did a great job of making this thing look concurrent to the taillight section area. So we're gonna get this bolted up, check it out. There it is. Looks fantastic. Smooth. Really slims up the license plate area. Looks awesome. If you guys enjoyed this, made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, leave a comment below, tell me what you think. For those that have already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free, and I'll catch you guys later.